And today we're going to talk about Aave, the DeFi on Ethereum platform, where they have more than $10 billion in total value locked. So that's a very good project. As you can see, as I'm recording this video, we have a pump, 25%, almost 24%. So that's very good. And let's look at the chart, okay? So right now we're looking at Aave on the daily time frame, and what you see here are the levels of Fibonacci retracement and pivot points, okay? So we're gonna take a look at that first. So here we see a yellow candle, meaning that it's very bullish. Last time we had that, we had it here, and we made a almost 60% up, and then we had this resistance, and then it went back up again, and it did another 20% after retracing a little bit, a resistance here, and then we had another 50%, and then we had this huge retracement, okay? So this is like a accumulation phase, consolidation, where the price is ranging between 310 and 480, and now we're seeing this huge pump. I'm gonna draw the trend line so that you can see where it's heading. I think it's actually going all the way down from here, and it's looking like this now. So we're following this trend line, okay? And now let's look at the Fibonacci retracement. Usually it will hit the 1.272, okay? And that's the golden ratio between this and the 618. So I'm guessing that maybe not today, but during the week, it's going to hit, $670 between this and 720 or 30, so this box right here. So I'm going to draw that so you can see it. Right here. Where's the little box? Let me check it. This one. So this box right here. Okay. All right. Now let's look at the retracement, the potential retracements that we're going to see, because right now we touched this resistance right at $580. So my guess is that it might stay here, tomorrow retrace a little bit. So I'm going to zoom a little bit more so you can see it. So it's probably going to retrace today or tomorrow to this box here. So the 0.618 between this and the 0.5. Okay, that's the golden pocket. It's gonna do that and then jump into this golden pocket here. So it might do that, or it can also break this resistance, by the end of the day or tomorrow, and then go right to this one, okay, this little pocket. So we're gonna look at it. We're gonna see what it does. I'm also going to show you some other indicators that are showing that it's very bullish right now. As you can see here, this is the wave trend. So when you see the money flow, the yellow, flow right here, when it goes above zero, that's a good moment, a good entry. Okay. We are seeing here the green dot, which is a good moment to buy as well. As you could see here, the green dot, before we would have made a 25%. Okay. Right here, this is the accumulation. Looks good, it's green. Here, the stochastic RSI looks good because the blue line, the K, is now above the D, which is what we're looking for. So this means that it was oversold here below the 30, and whenever it's oversold, at some point it's going to go back up, especially when we are in a bull market. And I drew here a trend line as well, which shows you that we're going higher and higher on this wave trend, which is good. Yeah, that's pretty much it, actually. So if you want to take a trade, well, you should have taken it somewhere here, right? But you could also try to wait for the retracement, and buy the dip, and then, follow the trend. And it's probably going to stop somewhere here, at which point you can take profit, okay? And I'm also seeing something else, because here we're in a ascending triangle, and there's 63% chance that it's going to break out of this above. Sometimes it also goes below that, but we're in a bull market, and Ethereum already had its pump, or it's pumping right now. So all the Ethereum projects are going to go up as well, one by one. So yeah, wait for the retracement and take your trade. Or it might retrace a little bit more, and it's gonna follow this trend line, okay? So there's several options. Either it's going up, or it's gonna retrace, you can take a trade and it's going back up, or it's gonna retrace a little bit more, which is still fine. If it retraces somewhere here, it's still fine, because as long as we're staying in this zone, this ascending triangle, we're fine. So you could also take a trade somewhere here. If you're seeing that all the indicators are aligned, then you can take a trade and you just follow the trend. That's it for Aave. Yeah, so if you like this type of videos, subscribe, smash the like button and comment. Let me know which pair you want me to look at next time. Until then, ciao. Thanks.